Good morning students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to learn about the direct speech and indirect speech, the verb tense changes, okay? So today in this video we are going to learn about the tense, how a tense changes from direct to indirect speech, okay? First understand what is direct speech. Direct speech is the exact speech spoken by the speaker. But indirect speech is a speech which is in the reported form, meaning someone else is saying that speech which the speaker said. Okay, so that is the difference between direct and indirect speech. The first thing that we have to note over here is that the direct speech is always written within the quotation mark. Okay, the direct speech is always written within the quotation mark and it has a speaker. Okay, suppose he said, I eat a lot. He is the speaker and the speech that he spoke is I eat a lot. This is the direct verb, that is why it is under the direct speech category. Okay, now the tense, how to change the tenses. The tenses changes from direct to indirect speech. The first example that we are studying about is simple present tense. Simple present changes to simple past. Okay. Now over here I have written an example. He said, I eat a lot. Okay. We have the reporting verb over here, and we have the speech. Now, when we are changing it into the indirect speech, the tense that it is going to change is in simple past. What is the main verb over here? Eat. Now eat, the simple past form of eat is ate. Okay? But with this verb, we are going to make many changes in indirect speech. So kindly notice what all changes are being written in the indirect speech. I have already written he said. What did he say? He said, I eat a lot. But the meaning will change. So he said that he ate a lot. While writing indirect speech, the moment we take out the speech from out of the inverted commas, out of the quotation mark, we have to use that. That is a conjunction which is a joining word which joins the reporting verb and the reported speech. That is why we use that. So first and most important thing, whenever you take out the speech from the quotation mark, you have to use the conjunction that. And one more thing, the usage of pronoun. He said, I eat a lot. Who eat a lot? He. Okay? So, and also here in indirect speech you have seen that I have written he. Why haven't written I? Because if I write I over there, that means the meaning of the sentence will change then. But we are using the pronoun he because it is referring to the person who said that speech, who eats a lot. Okay? That is why he said that he ate a lot. Who ate a lot? He. Meaning hasn't changed. Over here in this sentence also, he said, I eat a lot. Who eats a lot? He. So you have to see the correct usage of pronouns also. Okay? So this was the changing from simple present to simple past. Okay? Now the next one is present continuous to past continuous. Okay? Okay, the next tense that we are going to see is present continuous and it will change into past continuous. Understand with an example. The sentence that I have written over here is she said. Who said? She. I am writing a letter. I am writing. Am is used for present tense. Okay? And the verb is in ing form, and the verb when it is in ing form, it means that it is in continuous tense. So the sentence, the speech is in present continuous tense. Okay? I am writing a letter. This is the direct speech which was spoken by she. Now when I am changing it into past continuous, as I already said that we have to take it out of the quotation mark and then we have to use the conjunction that between the reporting verb and the reported speech. So when I am writing the indirect speech, we will write it as she said that. She was writing. The past form of am is, am, are becomes was and were. Subject, singular, plural, I have already taught you in the tenses, okay? So please make a note of that. You have to be thorough with the tense chapters. Okay, if you are confused with the structure, it will create a lot of confusion. So please thoroughly study the structures. Okay. So in indirect speech, when we are changing it to past continuous, it will be she said that she was writing a letter. Now that has got a past continuous tense and it is also in the indirect speech. Okay. So that's all for today, and tomorrow in the next video we shall discuss about the tenses which are left. So for now, please understand what is given over here and try to memorize the structures that you have been taught. Okay. Thank you.